Hello guys, we are Realax here with our first YouTube video. So these days I heard some of you and your parents have a problem regarding about the size of the app icons. It happens with me too. Sometimes I have to open something, but due to small icons, mistakenly I click on the app or the icon beside it. And guys, for sure this irritates us a lot. Here's a preview for it. And if your phone is not that fast, it literally sucks. Yeah, it sucks, and I know that. So I have a solution for it. Nothing difficult to do, so just listen carefully and follow the steps. First, we have to open your Play Store. Then search giant icon on it. Now go to the home page and click on install. Click on OK. Hold your screen for a second. Just click on widgets. Search for giant icons in it. Click on it, move it, or you can simply click. Select your favorite icon. Give some permissions if it asks. Select your favorite any of the apps you can. I will click on Google. Now you can adjust it to your own perspective that you want. Choose your own site, your own slide, anywhere you want. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and if you want us to make more such videos, feel free to suggest in the comment box below. Thank you.